What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to a new video on Aptos, which will be my first attempt at doing a technical analysis and price prediction. Now, I already can hear you saying, well, that's not possible, it just launched, and you are 100% correct. Alright, so I'm going to try my best. We're on the 5-minute time frame, which does not allow you to say a lot of things, but we can already see some key levels coming up, and we can already kind of think about what could happen. All right, so this is all the price action we have. This is since the start. Went down from, and we're on Binance, by the way, because on TradingView you cannot analyze it accurately yet. So went from $13, had a big drop all the way down to 6.5, so a 50% drop. Usually happens, all right, and from 6.6 we already went up to 8.2, so that's another, what will it be, like 1.6, like 33% gain from that level, 30% gain. Found resistance at around $8, 8.2, which is also a level you can see right here. So I wish I could actually draw some things. Can I? Yes, I can. Well, that's just amazing. I'm not sure what I can draw then. A rectangle. I can draw some rectangles. But what I also wanted to do, and I think that's quite interesting in this video, I also wanted to take a look at TradingView at ApeCoin. The beginning of ApeCoin, because I think that's actually very valuable to take a look at. The first few days of the launch of ApeCoin. ApeCoin was also a token that had a lot of people were waiting for that release. It was also very hyped up. I would love to see the beginning in the 1 hour time frame, which is going to be a lot of scrolling, but we're going to do that. Hopefully I edit this out, but I'm not sure if I will. Oh, we're already here. So with ApeCoin, we have to know market circumstances were better during that time, all right? You have to understand that. But we had a big bull run in the beginning. I don't see that happening with Aptos. I just don't. It's possible, but I don't think it's the most likely scenario. Market circumstances are way more bearish, and Aptos is already at a 1 billion market cap. Already has volume of 1.1 billion. So yeah, in this video I'm also not going into depth about what Aptos is. If you want to know that, I made a video on it yesterday. Just check that out in my channel. You'll easily find it. It's not too long ago that they uploaded it. But yeah, so ApeCoin, what it did is that it had a nice bull run and then started dropping down. But to be honest, even though this is good to see, market circumstances, as I said, were way more bullish then. So I wanted to use this as sort of a reference, but I guess we cannot. All right, unfortunately. But Aptos, if we take a look at the price right now, yeah, we cannot. We can do something like this. I think maybe something like this is better. So the main resistance level that we had, and one of the main key levels right now for Aptos is around 7.5. 7.5 is also a major psychological level. All right, so now we've broken above that. So what I expect, I mean, I have to say that analyzing like this is just very hard. But what I expect is we're going to use this arrow. I cannot really use that accurately. All right, we're not going to use that. Just going to drag that away. Can we not do something else? Can we not do any raise or something? I don't know. Something like this. No, it doesn't work either. All right, well, disaster. So 7.5, we broke above that, even though we're on the 5-minute time frame. I think we can expect a little bit more bullish momentum. But the main levels we need to talk about, obviously a little bit more over the long term, are this level right here, I think, at around 8.7 and kind of around 8.7, 8.2. This whole level, right? Between ultimately 8.7 and as a support, $8. All right, that seems like the main resistance level, and if we can actually close on top of 8.7, then we might actually get a rally all the way up to $10 at first, and then afterwards I'll start covering it a little bit more. But that's the main resistance level to break. I think right now we've taken a break retest off of that whole 7.5 level, so we're probably heading towards $8 or 7.8, $8. So we're not at 8.7 again, but there is a chance right now. All right. But our first test, as I said, will be around 7.8, $8. Could also be that we find resistance there. If we find resistance there and drop down below 7.5, which, as I said, is the most important key level in my opinion right now, we're probably going to have some sort of a smaller crash down to 6.8 and 6.5 a little bit later. But yeah, so that's the only thing I can say. It's very limited. I wanted to do more with ApeCoin, but it's impossible to do so. You can also just check. We can also check out what's going on with the transactions per second. It right now is at 40 transactions per second, which they claimed that they could do 160,000. So yeah, not that much either. That's probably not bullish for Aptos either. So yeah, that's a quick take on Aptos for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, I want to wish you all a great day, and I hope to see you all tomorrow. Bye.